This is really hard for me to write as it makes everything so real. This past weekend, Brooks and I broke up. Before I say more, know that our relationship was a healthy and happy one. He is a wonderful person and we are still friends. I never believed in timing before, but at the end of the day, we were in two different places in life and we both struggled to come to terms with it. This has been so difficult for me to realize. Sometimes two good people can be in the wrong relationship. I have learned that it is never wrong to love someone, but that it is important to recognize when a relationship isn't able to move in the direction I need and desire. It has been a week of healing, and now it is time for me to let y'all know so I can move on in a new way. All the love and support would be greatly appreciated as I heal and transition back into the dating world.